Yeah.
All right, whoever wins.
Dad, okay, so that's real.
Huh?
We're not gonna act like we can keep the money. I'm gonna keep the money.
You gonna keep the money?
I'm gonna keep the money.
Okay, all right, whatever. Let's see if you make it there. Ready, set, go. All right, you guys, listen. Waivers. My hair is dirty, and you already know what needs to be done when your hair is dirty. Now, my hair, it wouldn't appear to be that dirty to you guys, but waivers know, all right, when your hair is dirty or not. When I take off my rag, you're gonna see. Matter of fact, you're not gonna see. You're not gonna see. Only I know. You know what I'm saying? My hair's gonna look healthy when I take off the rag. But let's just take off the rag and see. Big up to all my haters. Big up to all my haters. You know I gotta make my unrags dramatic, all right? So today, I'll be using Cito's bar. This is that retro cake from novanaturals.org. I don't know if I'm gonna link it in the description. novanaturals.org. This is what I'm gonna use for the wash. This is a shampoo bar, all right? Next, I'm gonna use my prototype 360 GZ brush. This right here is just a prototype. This is a medium, kind of medium hard. This is just a prototype. What you guys will be getting will look like this. And I'll be using this brush basically to wash the shampoo in, just to do a brush session while the shampoo is in my hair. Next, I will be using a mesh do-rag, all right? This one right here is Fast Money Juices, FMJ the brand. Do-rag is pretty hard. I like the color. But yeah, that's basically it. Oh, one more thing. I'm gonna be sprinkling some of this virgin babasu oil in my hair as well, just to add some oil to my shampoo and to my wash, so I won't have to really put anything in my hair after I'm done washing. So let's go. I'm about to wash my hair and get my stuff together. Let's go. Alright, so basically, I'm gonna wash my hair twice, alright? The first wash, it's not gonna mean nothing. It's just gonna me getting the dirt out of my hair. The second wash, that's when I do my washing style. That's when I use the lather from the soap to lay everything down and rag up. Now, when I do that, I'm gonna go into the other room because I like to get a brush session under the real good lights, and I just like to sit down and get you. Let's go. Now with this first wash, don't expect a lot of lather. You got too much dirt in your hair to be getting that immaculate lather. You're not gonna get that at first, so just focus on getting all the dirt out of your hair. So now, I'm gonna take my medium brush and basically just brush it in. So as you can see, the lather is not really getting any more sudsier than this, so I'm gonna wash this out. Alright, so you wanna apply the shampoo once again, same way. Alright, so now that I have everything in, it's pretty much gonna suds up after I start brushing. So I'm gonna head into the other room to get this brush session in. Let's go. guys. It's Jersey Day, Uncle Kev. What you repping? What you repping?
Come on, New Orleans, 100%. Come on now, whoa, now.
Okay,
New Orleans.
All right, we got George. George, who you repping?
Niners and Garoppolo.
Garoppolo. Let's go. Let's go. Memo. Talk about it.
The realest one in here, all right?
The realest one?
Realest. Come on now.
Who you repping though?
Come on now.
Who you repping?
I ain't gotta say it. Come on, man.
They already know.
I ain't even gotta say it, they know. They know, they know, they know.
They already know. Okay, alright. Excuse me. Excuse me.
Yes, sir.
Talk about it.
Yes, sir.
Niners in the building.
The future. The future right here.
The future. Come on, man. Excuse me, sir.
It's over there. No,
Talk about it.
No, I have to whip out that Jerry Rice, man.
Right?
Jerry Rice. Not because I'm Asian, though. But
Okay, alright. Listen, Arlen. Talk
Chicago.
about it.
Justin Fields, baby.
Fields. Let's go. Excuse me, sir. Sir. Who you repping?
You see it?
Garoppolo.
Another Garoppolo.
And Danny, we all know who's Danny representing. He is representing the Black Squad.
Make some noise for the Black Squad,
Alright.
Alright, tell him.
Alright, y'all. Y'all see what I'm repping? Niners. He ain't on the squad no more. But you see what I'm repping. You like the cut? You like the cut? Let me show you. Hold on real quick. Let me show y'all the cut. Alright. There it is. Fresh cut. Looking clean.
Alright, bro.
Black Squad.
Alright, Jared.
Would you stop slapping that thing? What the hell I want with it?
Alright, Jared.
Alright, we do. Oh my god. Oh my god. Alright. So basically what I'm doing right now is laying everything down in place. I'm getting all my frizz that's on top, getting it to lay down. It's just basically laying down your hair with the shampoo at this point. I'm gonna throw my oil in and then I'm gonna rag up.
Big up to all my haters. Big up to all my
So now I'm gonna throw my mesh rag on. Probably gonna let it sit in my hair for at least like 5 minutes. So I'm gonna let it sit for 5 minutes, let the oil do what it do. Then I'm gonna rinse it out with cold water, all right? Make sure you rinse it out with cold water. Don't use hot water. You're defeating the purpose of putting the oils in your hair. You don't wanna open your pores. You wanna close your pores. So yeah, let go.
big up to all my
So the only thing about using this mesh rag is I use it to kind of rinse everything out because it has these holes in it that really gets down to the scalp. But I don't like to leave it on my hair because whatever you have on your hair tries to adapt to whatever texture that is on. So I don't like to use this. I'm gonna put a regular do-rag on my head. That way, you know what I mean? If I put on a silky do-rag, my chances are my hair coming out silky is way greater. So you gotta make this quick though. Grab your do-rag that you're gonna use and just have it on hand, ready and prepped, because my hair, it frizzes up quick. I'm gonna do a quick toss and rag up. And that's basically it. So now I can let my hair dry with this silky do-rag on my head, and everything is gonna come out really nice. I'll be back with the results. Ready?
Yeah.
All right, whoever wins.
Dad, okay, so that's real.
Huh?
We're not gonna act like we can keep the money. We're gonna keep the. I'm gonna keep the money.
You gonna keep the money?
I'm gonna keep the money.
Okay, all right, whatever. Let's see if you make it there. Ready, set, go. It's intense. I just need to find a rhythm.
Oh, mine's gonna rip.
Yeah, yours is over.
No, it's not.
Oh my god! Ah! No! Jared, you're the only one left. Hey, at least I got $1.
Same.
It's in the middle, you gotta
Let's go.
We both going nothing.
We got $1. Let's go. Let's go.
Again.
Start over.
Again.
Okay, start
Go
over.
get your dollars.
You're not taking this.
All right, you guys, you ready again?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's go. Ready, set, go. Patience. Patience. Dang, it's a line right there, too. Heck away from us.
I
Yes.
already knew it was gonna do it.
I'm gonna get to the blue. Please get off blue.
Woo, Tatiana! It's winning! No! Oh my god!
I already got the 20. It's over.
Oh my god! I got $5.
Mine, bro.
You starting over again?
No, Tatiana won. Tatiana won.
Keep my money right there. That money. I already knew I was gonna win.
Tatiana, you get the 10 and the 5. What are you talking about? All right.
Wow, she got y'all though. She's like, wow.
All right, you guys. So here's my waves and what it's looking like off of a fresh washing style. This is with no oils in my hair, nothing, it's just dry. Washing style with a little bit of oil in it. And that's the results. It's your boy 360 Jeezy. I'm out. Peace.